G'day viewers, it's Sunday the 11th of June 2017. It's the Queen's birthday long weekend and we're at it again. So I think we're going to go Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Troy.
We'll give it tomorrow another go as well.
We'll be all detected out, brother. Anyway, Troy's got a target here. I'll give you a look at this. What do you got, Troy? Can you stand around the other way, Troy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What do you got there, mate?
87, in the sort of penny-ish range, maybe.
Penny, you reckon? Sounded pretty good.
Yeah, we'll have a look at that.
Have a look, mate. See how you go. Oh, sorry, Troy.
That's all right, mate.
Forgot I was bloody right on top of you then. What you got? Medallion?
A key.
A key to the city?
Half the key.
What the?
It's half the city.
Viewers, old mate Troy's found something I've always wanted to find. And is in really good condition. How's that? It's a snake charm buckle. You kidding me?
I've actually never seen one with the two snakes intertwined like that before.
Maybe they're mating.
They could be.
Oh, you lucky bastard, you lucky bugger, Troy. Look at the detail on old mate up the top there. You're kidding, that is awesome, Troy. Hey?
I'm happy with that one.
Oh, hello. Alright, we'll take some still photos of this, guys. That's awesome. Righto. Troy dug that snake charm buckle just from that hole there, and have a listen to this thing. 1346. You know what I'm hoping it is, don't you? It's got a colour to it that's not black or pink.
93 could be a shilling.
I hope it's a coin at least, anyway, Troy.
Oh look, I reckon that's a coin for sure, but...
Oh, gee, something in. It's my second ring in 2 days.
Oh, you kidding? Another ring?
Another ring, let me show the viewers. I'm like the ring master now, mate. I found one yesterday, and now I've got another one today.
That one's silver, is it?
Yeah, silver, Troy. I mean, what else is it gonna be? Oh, yeah. And what's this one got on it? It's got a love heart.
Another love heart ring.
Yeah, what's the go with love heart rings? Oh yeah, she's marked on the back.
There's a hallmark on it, is it?
Yeah. I'll take some still pictures, bros, but get on. Troy's got a cool old relic here. How's the size of that freaking spoon, Troy? Are you serious? Oh my god, you'd only need 2 mouthfuls, you'd be full. Righto. Actually, Troy's found a rue penny, so that was good, the first coin for today. And now he scored himself a little silver. Just see it there sitting in that plug. That's a good coin, Troy. Well done, mate.
Pretty worn. A sixpence by the size of it.
Yep. Can't make a little ID.
Victoria.
Yep. Get some water. Do the water trick, will we?
Yeah, mate, well.
Well done, Troy. It was a bit jumpy, that signal, wasn't it? But she, it's an old English one, Troy.
It is.
Hang on, I'll just wipe him on my jeans. Oh God. Couldn't tell you. Looks like 1997. I'll give it to you, you can have a look, Troy.
Have a look.
Well done, mate, silver coin. You might need me little up periscope. There you go, mate.
Oh, it's that way. 1873.
1873.
1873.
1873. There you go. 1873. Actually, the other side, it's not bad on that, Troy. Rightio, we'll keep going. Good stuff. Back here, viewers. Found a 50 gram. Oh, hang on. What does that say? 50 gram pennyweight. Pretty cool. I'll have a bit of a look around for a few more, but that's nice. Righto. Back here, viewers. Troy's got himself a penny, Troy.
1927.
Commonwealth penny. A little bit shags, but not a bad coin there, Troy. We've moved spots too, viewers, so yeah, got a private permission, so there's the first coin. Well done, Troy. Back here, viewers. What's this thing? Little halfpenny. There you go. 43 halfpenny. Little Australian one, a Roo halfpenny. And this thing was weird. It's a little English halfpenny, and it was ringing up like fairly low numbers on the E-track for a halfpenny. I think it was like 12.28 or 12.26. It was really weird, and it was really low on Troy's Deus as well. It was only coming up 70, 72, so don't know why sometimes they're a bit lower, but that's a nice little coin, that 1891 English halfpenny. So yeah, weird, but anyhow, a couple more for you. Righto. G'day, viewers. Oh, bloody mate, Troy's pulled himself a little silver. What do you got, Troy?
Old English threepence.
Yeah, please.
Might be able to read the date with your magnifying glass. I can vaguely see it there. She's pretty thin.
Oh my God, it is thin. 1876, I reckon. 1876. A lot of the coins we've got out of this particular paddock have been 1850s upwards, haven't they, Troy? So,
Have.
Oh, actually, you got 1844, didn't you?
Yeah, the shilling was 1844.
That's a nice coin, mate. We're pretty happy about that. Rightio. Back here, viewers. Picked up a nice one here. Have a listen. 11.45, not too bad. We've done this paddock a few times, but we're going the other direction, and we've already picked up a few targets, so there's a bit of a tip for you. Sometimes you got to swing both ways. Did you get it? Oh. No. If there's a bloody coin next to that nail, I'm most impressed.
The fuck's that?
What the hell's that thing? What is that thing, Troy?
Oh, it's not like an old razor, is it?
I don't know.
Don't know.
First I pulled out the old rusty nail, and then I got that. Ah, could be an old razor, Troy. Righto.